Do you exclude all brand keywords in the low T ROAS case? This is a video from John, where in this video he recommended like 3 bidding strategies to use for standard shopping campaigns, like in order of preferences. So the first one is low target ROAS, second was manual CPC, and the third one is maximize clicks. So John prefers low T ROAS because it learns which keywords aren't like converting and automatically stops spending on them while not restricting the budget too much. So the question for this one is, do you exclude all brand keywords in the low T ROAS case? I have a brand where a lot of searches on the standard shopping are brand name plus product category, shirt, bag, etc. Would you leave those on?
Initially, no. When you're first starting, let the campaign get the conversion data. If you are getting a lot of branded terms coming into that campaign, that's when you can break out another campaign. So you would then use a high priority and low priority structure, where your high priority is capturing non-branded search terms, and you attach a branded negative keyword list, so no brand goes in there, and then all the brand will go to a bottom of funnel, a low priority, and all the only keywords that are being funneled into that are brand, and that you would give that like a 10% ROAS and let that go, and that'll just be brand. Brand will be just going into that shopping campaign, and you let the high priority shopping campaign get all the non-branded stuff. But to start with, you just leave it open and get data in the campaign.
Got it. Okay, cool. Thanks, Glenn.
What bidding strategy would you use in standard shopping? I like either manual CPC, maximize clicks if I have a really good feed, or even a low T ROAS. Those are the areas. My primary one is a low T ROAS. My secondary one is manual CPC, and my third one is maximize clicks, but that's a very specific use case. Low T ROAS, just something that is not going